by Kids Cloud.
Please subscribe to this channel, Kids Cloud.
There are two types of clocks, digital clock and analog clock. Here is a digital clock. Nowadays, digital clocks are everywhere. In most of the electronic gadgets, such as computers, mobiles, microwave, you will find these types of digital clocks. The digital clock is the easiest. With this, it is very easy to tell the time. You can express the time in hours as well as minutes. The numbers before dots tell us the hours, while the numbers after dots tell us about minutes. Let's read this digital clock. A number before two dots is 4, and a number after two dots is 20. Thus, the time shown by a clock is 4 hours and 20 minutes. We generally express the time like a digital clock. The second type of clock is an analog clock. It is different than a digital clock and needs an extra understanding of numbers as well as hands. It helps us to learn precise time and interrelationship between hours, minutes, and seconds. It teaches us time management, how much time has passed, and how much time has left to do or complete a particular task. Let's learn more about this analog clock. It is a circular clock designated with equally spaced numbers from 1 to 12. The front is called the face or dial of the clock. Additionally, two moving hands are there. The shorter hand is called the hour hand and the longer one is a minute hand. In some clocks, an additional hand is there. This thinner hand is called the second hand. Some analog clocks have Roman numerals. Now let's learn how this 12-hour clock works. Have you seen such a clock carefully? What do you have observed? The first thing is that the dial or face of the clock is circular. The second thing is that this dial has an equal 12 sections. At the top of the clock, you will see the number 12. It is followed by 1, and these numbers will move further from 1 to 11 in a circular manner. If you see more carefully, you will find that two consecutive numbers are divided further into 5 equal parts. These have shown by the lines. Each line is called a minute. When you are reading a clock, you have to think about the positions of the hands relative to the numbers. We can learn an analog clock and a digital clock simultaneously. Here, digital clock is showing a time. It is expressed in the format hour, 2 dots, minutes. Before 2 dots, the number displayed is 4, and after the dots, it shows 0, 0. It means 4 hours and 0 minutes. Thus, the time is 4 o'clock. How can we show this time in an analog clock? We can show 4 o'clock by pointing the short hand at 4 and the long hand at 12. At 12, minutes are 00. Let's read the time by keeping the long hand at 12 and changing the position of a shorthand. It is very easy to tell the time when long hand or minute hand is at 12. A short hand means an hour hand is at 1 and long hand, that is a minute hand, is at 12. It is 1 o'clock. We will move the short hand and keep the minute hand constant at 12. Let's read the time together. You can pause the video at each clock and try it yourself. 3 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock. How to read the clock when the minute hand is at a number other than 12? Between every two consecutive numbers, 5 minutes are there. To calculate the minutes when the minute hand is not at 12, you need to apply 5's table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and at 12 we will write 00. To read the time in the given clock, first check the hour hand. It is at 7. Hence, before two dots, we will write 7. Then, check the position of the minute hand. It is at 3. To calculate minutes, refer to the table of 5 as shown in the second clock. It is 50. So the time is 7:50. Let's take another example. A short hand or hour hand is between 9 and 10. It implies 9 has already passed and it will be 10 after some minutes. So we will write 9 in place of hours before two dots. The minute hand is at 6. Now refer to the 5's table. It will be 30 minutes. So the time is 9:30. It's a practice time. If you practice more, you will learn the clock very fast. You can pause the video and try to read the time. Can you read the time now? Try it. It is 1:30. It's 2:40. 3:50. 12:10. You can practice more with the analog clock at your home, and I'm sure you will learn it very fast.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.